Abstraction is the exposing only requirement things, and the abstract is the achieve the implementation and the interface of the abstraction. Abstraction is the exposing only requirement of the things, and the to achieve the interface and the implementation of the object. And the Java by abstract class and the interface class is the class means we have abstract as well as non-abstract methods. Is abstract methods interface will not have methods and create a object, and the public and the final static methods. And to achieve the abstract means the exposing only requirement of abstract methods and interface. And the abstract class means we can have abstract as well as non-abstract methods, and interface will not have a not have the it cannot have a abstract variables and class methods. Public abstract class is the to the achieve the interface, and the to the abstract implementation is the abstract as well as non-abstract class. Abstract class is the interface is the full abstract methods with and without body. And abstract class is a particular of the abstraction methods and the without body, and can have constructor extend abstract class. And the abstract class and the can have a constructor extend abstract class. And the methods without body cannot have a constructor. And methods without body cannot have a abstract class. And the methods are a public abstract of the interface because it is the interface class, and the methods is the requirement of the interface of the classes. And the two requirement of the public methods, and the which have the class is the particular abstraction. And the abstraction methods with and the without body is the abstract methods. This is used to the particular interfaces. And the abstract methods is the to need the extend that class with and the ordinary of the class is the to achieve the implementation of the abstract methods. And the abstract class is the abstraction is the Java on the fundamental object oriented programming language. And to implementation and the exposing only requirement of the things. Implementation and the interface is the your for the real time example of the abstraction. Your car is the great example of the abstraction. Is the you can car turning the key or the pressing the start button is the real time example of the abstract class. Abstraction in the heading the implementation and the details the code of the exposing only requirement of the things and the information. Abstraction is the have the abstract as well as non-abstract methods. And methods of public abstract class can have a create object of interface because it does not have a constructor. Can you explain abstract class? It can have a abstract class as well as non-abstract methods. This is used for a particular abstraction. We cannot create object of abstract class. Methods of abstract class we need to the exposing only the necessary of the information of the user of the abstraction of the class is the to interface class does not have a constructor. Methods of the public abstract class cannot have a creative object of the abstract class is the create object of the abstract class as well as abstract method is the exposing the methods of abstract class. We need to extend the abstract class ordinary is the class. Abstract keyword in Java is used to the declare of the class or the declare of the class or the method is called as the abstract method.